Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you guys know what time it is. Let's talk about Pepe. If you guys are enjoying these day-to-day analysis videos, which I know a lot of people enjoy, continue supporting and you will continue to see these updates. So once again, guys, as we are starting off this week, this is the second day in a row where we're seeing, quite a bit of green across the board. So, let's obviously knock on the wood, but as of now, still, we haven't reached some of these specific price targets that I've been talking about, as far as the confirmation is concerned, but we'll definitely take that. You're seeing some coins actually lagging right now, but some coins are up quite a bit. And, Pepe is one of them that's actually lagging right now, and I will get into a little bit of detail as to why that is happening. And of course, we're going to talk about the targets. But before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at the price currently sitting at 93.58, still about 5 zeros in front of the price. We're down about 1.3% as mentioned in USD comparative. We're also down about 4% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative. Market cap, on the other hand, is just shy of $4 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at $1 billion. So of course, as far as that is concerned, it's looking really nice. And as far as the holder count, holder count is increasing day by day. We're currently sitting at 256,788 holders. But shifting our focus towards the overall market cap for the meme coin market, $45.8 billion. So it's up about 4.3% over the past 24 hours. But a lot of coins right now are actually lagging behind the market. And the reason as to why that's the case is because of the fact that Bitcoin Dominance Index actually made its way back up. And again, guys, just a continuous reminder why you want to be looking at this index, why you want to be educating yourself how this thing works. You can see this for yourself. Dominance actually went up with the price of Bitcoin. But Bitcoin has had an amazing Tuesday, and obviously if I were to zoom in, things will make more sense. So let's actually take a look at it on the bigger time scale. So you could see this for yourself. BTC is finding itself back into the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level. So, a huge, plus point as far as that is concerned. We do have quite a bit of resistance coming in its way. Obviously, some resistance that actually dates back to the previous cycle. And that's exactly where we're finding a little bit of choppy, levels for BTC. But, we're able to cross, once we're able to cross the 60K, things can start looking really exciting. And of course, that is a very, very, important level for the price of Bitcoin. As you guys know, it's a psychological price point and it is a significant amount of resistance. So, if we're able to clear that, I think things can start looking good. But, we were in an oversold territory. Whales took a massive advantage, of these massive news that has come out and, shake out a lot of, longs and shorts. So, as of now, we're still not out of the woods yet. Of course, we're in the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level, which is great. But we do need to cross $65,000 for me to get that confirmation that, hey, things can start actually looking good rather than, still on the choppy end of the spectrum. But dominance actually went up. This kind of explains why we're seeing a little bit of a lag for Pepe as well as some of the other coins. But let's take a look at what's happening with the price. So of course, this right here is the daily time frame for Pepe. Pepe did obviously bounce back a little bit, but we're still finding a little bit of a lag as mentioned. But at the same time, I did tell you there is quite significant amount of resistance at these levels. So if this resistance is able to break out, obviously we knock out 1-0, then I think things can start looking really good for Pepe. I'm very confident that we do see Pepe reclaiming back up this 133 zone quite fast, and we're actually starting to see that trend happening with a lot of other coins as well. Bonk had a great day yesterday, and we're seeing a lot of other coins such as Turbo, and even Shiba Inu had a really nice move, but Shiba Inu had a significant pullback compared to Pepe. So if you're a Pepe holder, you actually want to realize all these things. Pepe is actually holding better than a lot of meme coins right now. And again, that shows you the strength it has, the demand it has at certain price levels around here. Of course, a lot of buying pressure at specific support levels, and that has kind of proved itself 2 different times where we did actually see that retest. So that's how I'm currently analyzing it. Of course, one step at a time. You do want to see the price of Pepe actually breaking out of this key resistance at the 98.47 in order for us to knock out a 0. if we're able to knock out a zero, I am very confident that we do see Pepe going up to the 1077 zone, quite fast. And if you want to put that into perspective, that is a move of 15.5%. So that is not a small move by any means, because again, Pepe is one of the largest meme coins in terms of market valuation, and that resistance is the previous all-time high that was back in March. And do expect a little bit of resistance around here, but that would be the next major target that I would be aiming for the price of Pepe if it's able to clear out of this key resistance. So let me know down below what you guys personally think. Where do you see the price of Pepe ranking? Where do you see the price of trading at the end of the year? And where do you see Pepe ranking in terms of its competitors? That's what I want to know from you guys in the comments down below. Love each and every one of you guys. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Turn those bell icon and of course hit that red subscribe button. But with that being said, I will see you tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.